shucked and there's corn to be picked. So we're going to get some stuff done today. Just watch the video and enjoy. On the go of the year. I've got to watch what I'm doing and watch the camera here. We're almost to the end. Not long rows, but we're going to get it done. Alright, first dump I go on camera of the year. Third day of harvesting here. We got some beans done and we got some corn. This will be a first cornfield. So, yeah. Got a problem. Just like always, that little camera up there is going out on me. So I gotta do a little I gotta jump to get up there. Ready? No! Jeez. The thing that you roll a tarp on, that's what I gotta use to get up here. Antenna there. If it isn't in the right place, it'll get no signal on control. That don't look good. It looks like that guy might be a little flat. Rip. That ain't good. That ain't good at all. That's the last thing we need today. A flat tire. And see? Still flashing at me. No signal. So I gotta go back there again. And I need to tell someone that the tire's basically flat. That's just great. I see Mike back here. We're doing the end rows. He don't got I don't see a corn on top, so I think we're gonna be good, but tire's flat. We're flat enough. I'm full, but all the air tires look good. So that's just great. Now we gotta deal with flat tire. Great. Corn's a little wet this morning. Yesterday, pretty wet, but pretty wet. And sucks for us because the ethanol closes at 10. Or not 10, but 12 at noon. So, trying to figure out what we want to do here. We can't. It's too wet to throw in a bin, into a dryer bin, so I'll find out what we need to do. And I turned the tractor off because I saw it full and we got the air trucker here. I just filled up the air one. So Now I gotta chase old Mike down and more.
I jumped in this tractor and there's a GoPro and a cellular telephone in here, so I thought I would just turn it on and make a little video. So yeah, here I am sitting in the John Deere 8320 hooked to a J&M 750 grain cart. Harvest 2020 season has started, so don't leave a GoPro in a tractor unless you want me to turn it on and make a little video.
Well, just moved here. I'm in the grain cart, and we're gonna do some beans now because the corn, ethanol closed at 12, so now we don't know what to do, but thankfully we got some beans pre-ready. So we got Mike on the way. I don't see him yet, but he's in the combine. We're gonna get some bean harvest done. See you in a little bit. So that unfortunately is going to be the end of the video, guys. I didn't get to video anymore, so sorry about that.